So a little while ago, I posted a difference between two B-grade M95 rifles from World Tiger Imports. This one was a hand select and was compared to one that wasn't a hand select. Go ahead and link that video in the description if you'd like to check it out. But I did just clean up the hand select version. I wanted to show you how it turned out. It did turn out pretty well, better than the regular B-grade, definitely with the stock, but as well as some of the other parts as well. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. The stock definitely turned out really well. I just cleaned it with some Murphy's Oil Soap and followed that up with some boiled linseed oil, and I used some 4-0 steel wool on some of the stubborn parts on the stock. There are some parts that had some hardened grease there. See, the stock looks pretty nice. It's a nice light color. Trigger guard's a little worn and has some wire wheel marks, but fortunately, that's not uncommon. The receiver looks pretty good. It's just pretty much in the white. This is definitely going to be another one of my candidates for a rust blue. I've gotten some comments about the rifles that I cleaned up, put back together, how a lot of them are still in the white or wire wheeled. It's really a temporary thing. I like to clean them up, show how they look after just a cleaning, without any other work, so you can kind of get an idea of what you're getting from RTI, and then at some point I'll follow up and do a rust blue. You can see there's a complete rear sight. The top handguard is a little bit of a different grain pattern, but the color does match. And the bands are pretty much in the white as well, although the muzzle is a little better, has some finish left. And there's that stacking rod. There's the other side of the stock. You can see it's in pretty good shape. Cleaned up very nicely. The barrel and the receiver serial numbers don't match. The barrel is in decent shape. The rifling looks like it might be a good shooter, so I'll have to take it to the range and try it out. I did find some 8x50 ammo that'll take to the range, some new production. I'll do a video on that and a review of how it works. And underneath the stock here is really good. I don't see any cracks or any damage or anything. Nothing that was hidden by any of the dirt, and it cleaned up pretty nicely. The action's pretty good. You can see the bolt opens up, closes pretty well. Also decock it. So if you're on the fence about getting one of these B-grade M95 rifles from World Tiger Imports, I'd definitely go for it. I think they're still sitting at about $199, which is a pretty low price for a milcert. You're going to definitely take a gamble on the bore, but for the price, that's not really unexpected. I would say if you get a couple of these, you might want to just roll the dice on the base price, but if you're looking at getting just one of these, I'd definitely suggest a hand select. You'll get a better chance of getting one in better condition, as opposed to one that could have issues, missing parts, broken stock, etc. So if you're on the fence about getting one, definitely recommend you get one. If you have any questions about this rifle, the cleanup process, feel free to drop them in the comments. I will have some more videos coming out and some new projects that I'll be posting. So if you'd like to be alerted to those, feel free to subscribe and sign up for alerts. And as always, thank you for watching.